Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate content creation with HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab in the main menu. Select Content and then choose Blog from the drop-down. Click on the Create Blog Post button. Choose a topic that aligns with your target audience and industry. Utilize the built-in keyword tool to identify relevant keywords for your post. In the title field, enter a compelling title that includes your primary keyword. Next, write a brief description of your blog post's main points. Scroll down to the Content Editor area. Use the editor's features to structure your blog post, such as adding headings, images, and links. Incorporate the keywords throughout the content to improve SEO. Consider using HubSpot's AI writing assistant to help generate blog content ideas. Select the AI assistant from the toolbar. Input your target keywords or phrases into the assistant. Review the generated suggestions and edit them to match your brand voice. Once the blog post content is ready, set up a publication date. Use the schedule feature to automate when the post will go live. Next, set up social media sharing. Navigate to the Promote tab within the blog post editor. Select the platforms where you want the post shared. Customize the social media messages for each platform. Enable automatic sharing by setting the appropriate toggles. Consider creating a content calendar within HubSpot to organize future posts. Use the Campaigns tool to track the performance of each blog post. Analyze the metrics available to assess reader engagement and traffic. Adjust your content strategy based on the insights gained from analytics. Continue exploring other automation features available in HubSpot, like email marketing. Regularly review and refine your strategies to keep the content fresh and relevant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.